Hey guys, this is Jessy and welcome back to my kitchen with a new video in new recipes. Hey, maybe you didn't subscribe. Do subscribe right now. Press the bell icon to never miss any updates. To make this, I just only need 3 main ingredients: jelly packet, hot water, and ice. That's it. Within half an hour, instant jelly will be prepared. So let's see. My daughter Apshara is making jelly today. So she is 9 years old, and as you can see that it can be prepared in early age, so you also can do it. I am showing two ways of making jelly. This is the first way where I am using ice, and in second way I will tell you. So now I will just keep it for half an hour in refrigerator, so it will be set and will be perfect to be served. Red one also I am making in same process with ice, hot water and jelly packet. Yellow one is second way. Instead of ice, I only use cold water. That's it, nothing else. If you are using cold water, so you have to keep it in refrigerator for 4 hours. The time is long, so it's not instant, but after 4 hours it will be set. After half an hour, you can see that the red one is ready to be served. Hope you guys like my videos. Please do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so you cannot miss any updates. So see you in next week with a new video. Thank you so much for watching.